Okay. Hey, this is how you load a U-Haul van by Gator Towing online. As you can see, the flatbed is moving back. Get ready to touch the ground. We have a 19-foot U-Haul van getting ready to be loaded onto the flatbed tow truck. Right. You want the chain, he's making sure the chain is tight when it's going back onto the truck, the winch. A what? All right. We got to pause this for 1 second. Oh man, they wrecked it. This piece of junk. On the way to the scrap yard.
What did it do? You ready to get in it, baby? Yeah, video yourself. Back FaceTime. You ready?
Yeah.
Cut it a little more, Dre, to that side. There you go. You're ready to turn. You're gonna need both hands.
What? Go.
Straighten it up, Dre. You're gonna need both hands. You're gonna need both hands. Straighten it up, Dre. Come on.
Come on, we got it. I got it.
Right there.
Go ahead, don't worry about it. Go, she good.
Dre, turn it more that way, Dre. Gotta get them back to more. More. We gotta straighten out last.
Ah! More? Go.
Back wheel is on. And you got your foot on the brake?
Yes, sir.
Listen, because we wasn't lined up evenly straight, I'm trying to see if this bitch even.